Hello, hope you are doing well. For installing Kali Linux in your VMware, open your browser, click on the Get Kali option and click on the virtual machines and download your virtual machine. I have already downloaded it and I will simply open my folder, right click on the Kali Linux file you have just downloaded, click on the 7-zip, extract here, and after extracting it, okay, it is taking some time. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So after it has completed the extraction, just click on the open and virtual machine and simply go to your file where you have extracted it, and then click on the green option, and that's it. You have started your virtual machine. If a pop-up appears, you have to click on I copied it. Yes, our installation is done. So thanks for watching. Okay, bye.